Okay, so here's everything that you receive with your bed rail. I'm going to show you step by step how to assemble everything and then install it onto your bed. So let's start with the assembly process. The first thing is just taking your handle and getting the side handle installed to it. And that is just 2 screws that are going to go into the side of it. And then you're going to connect these through. They do give you an Allen wrench. At this point, you do have to use that Allen wrench, but very easy to do. Just a couple twists and they will be secure. We got the handle fully assembled. We can go on to move towards that base part. The second step will be just installing these 2 poles in there. So these you can just slide in, and you're going to take one of the pins that they give you, and you're just going to pop it into place. Okay, so for step number 3, we want to fully assemble the base, and all that is just sliding your U-shaped flat part onto the middle of the base, and there's going to be 2 pins on the side. So all you have to do is just press that down, and these will just slide right on there. There you go, popped into place, and we're good to move on to step number 4, which is finishing this whole process. The final part, which is attaching the handle to the baseboard. So to do that, it's really simple. All you need to do is just slide your handle in, and there's gonna be 2 holes on each side. You just wanna line up with the pole you just slid in, and then you can put these clamps through and it'll lock it into place. And one thing to make it a little easier, go from the outside first instead of trying to come from the inside. I found they go through a little bit simpler like that. But we got 1 clamp on, we'll move to the other side. Okay, so there you go, the clamps are on. This thing is fully assembled and we can install it onto the bed. Okay, so now we can get it installed onto the bed. They do give you a strap, which you'd put on one side of your frame, and then you'd run it underneath your bed frame and lock it into place so this couldn't move anywhere. You don't need to use this. Personally, I never use these when I install bed rails. They never go anywhere. They're really secure under there. So I'm not gonna use the strap, but if you'd like to, that'd be how you do it. But how to install this, super straightforward. You just lift the mattress up and you slide underneath. Okay, so this is now fully installed. One thing you can do too, depending on what way you want this handle to do, you could flip this whole thing around and have it on the other side. But personally, I like it when the bag they have on there is facing the bed, but it's totally up to you. You can have that handle on either side, whatever you find it to be more convenient. But overall, this is installed now and ready to use.